Just a short video on how to change a light bulb, just your standard light bulb in your hot tub. Now you might have this style here, you might have one bigger, you might have one even bigger than that. But the back's pretty much the same, the setup, how to click it in. Now you might have a bulb like this, and if you ever have to change it, you just wiggle it back and forth. Comes out. Same thing when you replace it, but don't grab it with your fingers, just because of the oils and stuff on your finger. Just take a tissue paper and put it over top and then put it in. Now if you ever wanted to change this, now when it's in like this, see, I can't keep it in there by just, sometimes you can take it and it'll twist in, and then this is a newer one, so it's kind of hard right now. Just take a pair of needle nose, take it on the side, and just turn it in. You'll feel it turn in. Same thing. Sometimes it's way in the tub, can't really change it, so you got to make sure when you go in like this, straight, don't crimp those wires. Try not to crimp the wires anyway. And it's counterclockwise. Take it out, and it's just like a little quarter turn. And you can take it out, and you just replace it, and the same thing, put it back in. If you can't twist it in with your finger, like that one I did, because I think it was because it was the first time I ever put a bulb in there. Now there's a new style coming out right now, and it's with the LED light. These things are like super bright, and it's the same idea. I can put a bulb in. So if you have a setup like this, you can put the bulb, or you can get one of these, and I'll link this down below. I'll actually link both of them if you need it. But this is like super bright. You just put it in the same way. It goes in both, even your old one. That's it. You just got to make sure that when you put it in, see, that's just, this one here, it's a little bit shorter. If you have a bigger one, you'll go in no problem. This one here just barely gets in there. It's just in the back end of that. So that's how you do it. That's how you change a bulb out, or if you want to do a new one. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to us. That's if you haven't already, and we'll see you on the next one.